Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. As you can tell from the title, today we are talking about the newest and also the cutest makeup brand here in the Philippines, CHU CHU Beauty. I'm very sure naman guys, and sobrang obvious na siguro, mapa-Facebook man yan, Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok, na isa talaga sa mga obsessions ng Pinoy, especially online, is K-drama, di ba? Actually, correction, all things Korean. Mapa-Korean food and also K-beauty, di ba? I feel like majority ng mga tao ngayon gravitates toward Korean-inspired makeup. And having said that, I'm super happy because finally, meron ng K-beauty-inspired makeup brand na local and also affordable. Again, etong brand na susubukan natin today is called CHU CHU Beauty, which is basically a brand na inspired by K-beauty. But this one, what sets it apart compared sa mga typical K-beauty brand is that yung mga shades that they have focuses on Southeast Asian skin. I actually have the complete collection guys, and grabe, the packaging is super cute. Hindi ko sure kung ako lang yung naka-notice ha. Pagdating sa color selection, medyo 50-50 sila. Most of the time, and majority ng mga shades that they have focuses on fair skin and also yung mga bright colors. Medyo hindi fit yung mga shades that they have, especially sa mga Southeast Asian skin, di ba? But we don't need to worry kasi nga etong CHU CHU Beauty, even though Korean beauty inspired siya, panigurado, merong mga shades dito sa mga product na to na mag-work sa inyo. CHU CHU Beauty, by the way, is available sa Shopee, and also make sure to follow them sa Instagram tsaka sa TikTok kasi guys, napaka-cute ng mga content that they have. First product that we have is the CHU CHU Beauty Skinny Brow Pencil. Skinny Brow Pencil is a retractable ultra-fine pencil that can fill in brows or create hair-like strokes for a more defined look. And tatlo yung shades that they have. This one is gray brown. Ito naman si choco brown. And this one is si medium brown. Especially if light-handed kayo, this one is really good and panigurado, hindi kayo mahihirapang gamitin. Maganda siya guys, especially for those of you na mahilig gumawa ng hair-like strokes. This one for me, overall, I really enjoyed using. Pinong-pino yung pencil, guys. And aside from that, maganda din yung spoolie kasi hindi siya yung scratchy kapag pinang-babrush. Maganda yung formula niya kasi it's not the kind of pencil na sobrang creamy or soft. And also, hindi din naman siya yung sobrang waxy. Parang ano lang talaga siya, in between, saktong-sakto lang. Kaya sobrang effortless ipangkilay and also hindi nagtatag. I can definitely see myself using this. Especially on days na gusto ko ng thicker or fuller brows. This one naman is the CHU CHU Beauty Multi-Use Stick. This creamy stick type blush that you can use on the eyes, cheeks, and lips is all you need for a quick pop of color. It has an easy-to-blend yet buildable formula that leaves a non-sticky, youthful glow. 249 yung price nitong product na to and 6 yung shades na meron sila. And grabe guys, look at the packaging. It is super cute. Nothing negative to say pagdating sa branding and packaging kasi grabe, sobrang on point. Actually, lahat ng shades magaganda pero ito yung dalawa na stand out sa akin. These are like my love at first swipe na shades. Ito yung number 1 sa akin guys, si Rose Bouquet, and yung number 2 is si Coral Beat. Sobrang on point na mga shades. Ang lakas maka-fresh. And also just an FYI, walang scent yung product. And for today's demo, yung shade na gagamitin natin is si Rose Bouquet. Lagay lang tayo at the back of our hand. And to apply, of course, gagamit ako ng brush as always. Of course, kung gusto nyo gumamit ng fingers, pwede din naman. But personal preference lang to. Kapag foundation na nga pala ako, but hindi ko pa sinaset ng powder. And ayan, look at that. As you can see, sobrang bilis i-apply sa skin, especially with a brush. And sobrang nice kasi even though very creamy yung formula niya or emollient, hindi niya nade-disturb yung base. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel drying on the skin, and very buildable as well. Ayun yung isa sa nagustuhan ko guys. It's not the kind of stick blush na intense agad. Lagay pa tayo ng konti para may idea kayo kung ano yung itsura kapag ka medyo intense. And again, tapping motion lang para hindi mag-move yung ating foundation. Maganda din siya kapag ka bare skin kasi nga sobrang natural ng finish, kaya even though wala kang base, it doesn't look clumpy, it doesn't look like parang nagbubuo-buo or muddy. Since nga manipis yung formula ng product, kapag ka nilagay nyo siya on top of any product, parang nagme-melt lang talaga sa skin. And this is how it looks like naman kapag ka well-blended na yung blush, and also kapag ka meron ng powder. Lakas maka-fresh, diba? And sobrang natural lang. Anyway, this time, ito namang color bento yung pag-usapan natin. Color bento is a curated selection of 4 pressed pigments and 1 powder blush in combinations of matte and shimmer shades. 349 yung price nito and 3 yung variants na meron sila. This one is si Think Pink. This one is called More Brown. And ito naman is a more peach. This one, grabe, look at the packaging, diba? Super cute. Especially for those of you na mahilig mag-retouch or kaya sa mga maliliit na bag. This is literally perfect. And again, inside, merong 4 na eyeshadow and sa ilalim, meron kang isang blush. Sobrang love ko yung idea behind the eyeshadows kasi di ba 4 na shades lang siya kaya super bilis gamitin. Yung lightest, pang transition. Second shade, pang crease. Yung third shade, pwede siyang pang darken ng outer corner. Tapos yung shimmer, pang all over the lid. Di ba? Hindi lang siya kitignan, which is super nice. Very smart din yung idea. Kung familiar kayo sa ColourPop, ganun yung feeling ng texture. The pigmentation is really nice as well. Di ba? Look at that, oh. Ayan, oh, look at that. Grabe, di ba? Ang intense ng pigment. For the eyes, ang gagamitin natin is si More Brown. Of course, start tayo sa transition shade. And ang gawin natin is, ilagay lang natin siya sa ating crease. And di ba, look at that? Oh, sobrang bilis niyang mag-adhere. Ang ganda ng kulay niya for transition. Of course, it is also very easy to blend and also hindi patchy. Anyway, moving on sa next shade. And this one, ilalagay lang natin ang mas mababa sa first color. Using a smaller brush, kunin natin yung dark brown. Tapos ang gawin natin is, itap muna natin siya. Look at the pigment. Diba? Grabe. Sobrang perfect ng dark shade, pang darken ng outer and inner part. And then using a flat brush na medyo binasako, kukunin natin yung shimmer shade. Tapos, ilalagay lang natin siya sa center ng ating lid. Of course, you can also use your finger para mas intense. And look at that! Oh my God. Kapag ka-finger yung ginamit, it is so good. Then of course, balik lang tayo sa brush na pinanggamit natin sa dark color and i-blend natin yung edge. Of course, gamitin din natin yung blush na meron sa ilalim. Ayan, ilagay lang natin siya on top. Tsaka para din maset yung stick blush na nilagay natin kanina. Pinong-pino yung powder, it's easy to blend, and yung kulay, diba? It's so fresh. Anyway, this next one I'm holding is the CHU CHU Beauty Lip Stack. Each stack comes with 3 creamy matte lippies in a curated selection of soft, neutral, and pop shades accompanied by a moisturizing balm to help prep the lips. 299 pesos yung price nito, guys, and 3 yung variants that they have. This is Rose My Day. Ito naman si Peach My Day. And we also have Cocoa My Day. This one as well, super cute ng packaging and very nostalgic siya. Para siyang yung mga pens before na stackable. Ayan o, diba? Etong first 3 are lipsticks, tapos yung nasa baba is a lip balm. And yung formula, oh my God, it glides like butter. As in super effortless, oh. Personally sa akin, yung pinaka-favorite ko is si Pink My Day. Again, this is yung lip balm. And actually, ang nice niya kasi may hint of color siya. Tapos, ang ganda ng formula. Very hydrating. It makes your lips very plump, very juicy. Ang ganda nitong lip balm na to, grabe. Ito namang lightest color sa stack yung ilagay natin. Ang ganda ng pagka-pink. I love it. Ito namang deepest shade yung subukan natin. Obsessed. Like, look at that. This is not my first time trying this, ha? Pero hanggang ngayon, kapag nilalagay ko siya sa lips, kinikilig pa din ako and napapawaw kasi ang perfect ng shade. Hindi siya nagtatag, very moisturizing sa lips, and hindi na-emphasize yung texture. Ang nice, no? 4 shades in 1, kaya pwede kayo magpapalit-palit ng kulay ng lipstick in one day. Or anytime you want, diba? Final product that we have is the CHU CHU Beauty Juicy Dew Tint. The unique hybrid formula gives you the long-wearing power of a lip tint, but the shine of a lip gloss. This one is only 199 pesos and 6 yung shades that they have. And this one as well, grabe, sobrang nice ng packaging. And yung applicator, grabe, sobrang ganda. Ganito actually yung favorite kong applicator kasi very precise siyang ipang-apply tapos kahit isang dip lang, buong lips na. And ito yung top 3 ko. This one is Rose Apple. Ito namang shade na to is called Deep Fig. And itong third shade is si Cherry Cola. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin alone or kaya on top of the lipstick na ginamit natin kanina. And for today's video, of course, subukan natin pareho so that you have an idea and para makita nyo how it looks like both ways. Yung shade na gagamitin ko on top is si Rose Apple. Ito kasi yung number 1 ko sa lahat. Oh my God. This is legit perfection. Like, tignan nyo naman. Sa lahat ng nasubukan kong glossy tint, this is the best. I swear. Kahit sa mga mamahalin or sa Korean brands, mas prefer ko to. Aside sa napakaganda ng itsura sa lips, it's very lightweight, it's non-sticky. Yung hydration na binibigay sa lips kahit mag-fade na siya, yung pinaka-gloss, nandoon pa din sa lips, tapos nag-iiwan siya ng stain. Yung color selection, di ba, sobrang nice kasi may browns, may reds. It's everything. Like, this is definitely a must-have. And eto naman siya without any lipstick. And as you can see, it still looks amazing. And ayan, look at that, oh. Nag-iiwan din siya ng stain. Definitely long-lasting. And yung maganda sa kanya is, kahit mag-fade siya, yung nawawala lang is yung gloss, pero yung tint, naiiwan pa din siya, kaya ang perfect. And that's it guys, ayun na po yung aking full review dito sa CHU CHU Beauty. And overall for me guys, I'm super impressed. I mean, considering the price of the products, lahat sila less than 350 pesos, but yung quality, definitely, kayang-kaya makipag-compete or makipagsabayan. Especially sa mga Korean brands. If quality yung pag-uusapan, they exceeded my expectations. Etong kanilang brow pencil, okay siya because it can mimic brow hairs. Pinong-pino kasi yung tip and also hindi siya nagtatag kapag ginagamit. Etong heart stick, I love it kasi perfect for beginners and also buildable yung kulay. Perfect for everyday kasi it looks very natural. Dito naman sa color bento, what I like about it is that, ayun nga, super compact niya. Tapos yung mga shades na meron, diba? Sobrang wearable. And also, meron ng kasamang blush. Eto namang lipstick, sobrang pasado sa akin because you guys know me. Ganito yung klase ng lipstick formula na sobrang love ko kasi diba, ang ganda sa lips. And ayun nga, sobrang smart nung idea na stack siya tapos iba-ibang shade yung meron sa isa, diba? And lastly, etong Juicy Dew Tints. Look at this, kanina pa ako nagsasalita pero hanggang ngayon, ang ganda pa rin ng itsura. In terms of favorites naman, eto yung ilan sa mga products na nag-stand out sa akin. First one is itong color bento in the shade More Brown, Heart Stick in Coral Beat and Rose Bouquet, Lipstick in Rose My Day, and lahat ng shade ng kanilang Juicy Dew Tint. Wala kasi talagang tapon guys, lahat maganda. Eto yung definition na you don't need to break your bank para maging maganda or kaya makagamit ng magandang quality product. Para sa akin, I feel like ayun yung isa sa mga takeaway ko dito sa brand na to. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung clip guys ng aking makeup after 6 to 7 hours. Ano yun, diba? As you can see, even though nag-oil up na yung face ko, very minimal lang yung fading and nung nag-mask ako, minimal lang din yung transfer. Pagdating naman sa lip tint, as you can see, meron pa din siyang color but yung nawala lang is yung gloss or yung shine. Which is to be honest, expected na especially if kakain kayo or iinom. Of course, if you have oily skin or kaya gagamit ng mask, if you're gonna use this one, ang suggestion ko lang is isat nyo siya ng powder. Translucent powder or kaya powder blush para mas mag-last itong product na to sa inyong skin and also mabawasan yung transfer. Ayun lang naman if you have oily skin, pero kung normal naman yung skin nyo or kaya dry, you don't need to worry kasi panigurado, sobrang ganda nito sa skin nyo. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. But before we end, we have a giveaway! Tatlo yung winners natin and each of you mananalo ng 5 products from CHU CHU Beauty, and to join, all you have to do is of course i-follow yung mechanics na nakalagay sa screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe and I hope to see all of you again on my next one!